Now question number 9, first part, 3.07, 3.47, 4.16, 3.93 and 4.61. You have to write from smallest to largest. So you see, smallest is 3.07, and then 3.47, 3.47, then 3.93, then 4.16, and then 4.61. So it is smallest to largest. In this way you can arrange other two parts also. Okay. Now question number 10. Write as fraction. First is 0.53. You see, 0.53 means 53 upon 100, because this point is before two places. 1, 2. Okay. So it will be written as 53 upon 100. If this decimal will be before three places, then it will be 53 upon 1000. But here it is up to here it is before two places, so it will be 53 upon 100. Similarly, second part, 0.081. So it is 81 upon 1000, because this decimal 1, 2, 3 before three places it is. So it will be 81 upon 1000. Third part, 0.903, that is 903 upon 123, 1000. Similarly, fourth part, 0.0087. So it is 87 upon 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 zeros, 87 upon 10,000. Similarly, fifth part, 0.00069. So it is 69 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 zeros. Okay. So in this way you can do. Now question number 11. Write as fractions in their lowest term. First part, 0.5. 0.5 means 5 upon 10, because decimal is before one place. 5 upon 10. 5 upon 10 means 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. So 1 upon 2. Second part is 0.08. That is 8 upon 100. Decimal is before two places, 1, 2. So 8 upon 100. Similarly, simplify. 4 can divide 8, 4 2 ja 8, and 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja. So 2 upon 25. Now third part, 0.005. That is 5 upon 1, 2, 3, 1000. And you can simplify. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, so 1 upon 200. 1 upon 200. Fourth part, 0.025 means 25 upon 1000, and this is 25 1 ja 25, 25 4 ja 100, or you can simplify by 5 and ultimately you will get 1 upon 40. Similarly, fifth part, 0.0405, that is 405 upon 1 2 3 1 2 3 4, 4 zeros. Again you can divide it by 5, 5 8 ja 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja 10, so 81 upon 2000. Now it cannot be simplified. Similarly, seventh part I am telling, 42.075. 42.075 means 42 plus 0.75. So you can write 42 is 75 upon 1000, was 1 2 3 after 3 places. So 42, you can divide it by 5 or 25, 25 3 ja 75, 25 4 ja. So you can write 3 upon 40. So 42 whole 3 upon 40. Now question number 12. Convert the following fractions to decimals by changing the denominator to 10 or multiples of 10. First, 11 by 5. You see, you have to convert this denominator to 10 or 100. So you can multiply it. 5 can be multiplied by 2, 5 2 ja 10. Here also 11 2 ja 10, 11 2 ja 22. So it is 22 upon 5 2 ja 10. Now 22 upon 10 means 2.2, or simply you can divide it 11 upon 5 also, directly you can do. 5 2 ja 10, 1 is left, then decimal 5 2 ja 10. Directly also you can write. Okay. Now second part, 3 by 4. You can divide 3 by 4 directly. 3 is less than 4, so point, there will be 0, 4 7 ja 28, and then 2 is left, 4 5 ja 20. So directly you can write 0.75. So in this way you can do this also. Other parts you try to do. Question number 13. Convert the following fractions into decimals. 7 by 2. 7 by 2 means 7 divided by 2. So 7 divided by 2. 2 3 is 6. 7 minus 6 1. Here decimal. Then 2 5 is 10. It is 3.5. 3.5. Similarly, second part also, 4 by 5. 4 by 5 means 4 divided by 5. When you divide 4 by 5, you will get 0.8. Third, 3 by 8. Similarly, 3 divided by 8. 3 divided by 8. So decimal here 0, 8 3 ja 24, 6 is left, 8 7 ja 56, then 4 is left, 8 5 ja 40. So it is 0.375. So in this way you try to do other parts also. Okay. Now this chapter exercise is complete. That's all for today. Have a nice day.